Welcome to Bits and Buses, your fast lane for mastering industrial automation, one byte at a time. Here's how to convert Modbus RTU to CANopen in 2 minutes with the ICP-USA I-7232D Gateway Step 1. Head over to ICP-USA's website and download the CANopen Modbus Gateway utility. Install it on your PC. Step 2. Connect COM1 of the I-7232D to your PC's COM port and COM2 to your Modbus RTU device, like our M7000 series modules. If you're using a different Modbus RTU device, make sure to configure its communication parameters beforehand. Step 3. Power off the I-7232D, then connect the INIT pin to GND and power the device back on. This puts the unit in setup mode. Step 4. Run the gateway utility and open the CANMRU.exe file. Step 5. When prompted, hit connect. If you see a warning, simply repeat steps 2 through 5. Step 6. Now click RS485 and match the baud rate and parameters to your Modbus RTU devices. Click Next to continue. Step 7. Time to enter your Modbus device data, things like node ID, register addresses, and data length. Click Add to save each device. You can repeat this for as many Modbus devices as you need. Then click Next to move forward. Step 8. Once everything is set, hit Finish to generate the EDS file and write everything to the I-7232D's EPROM. Final step. Power off the unit, disconnect the INIT to GND jumper, and power it back on. The Run LED will blink twice per second, confirming it's ready and in CANopen pre-operational state. Need more? Check the user manual for full system details at icpdasusa.com.